Hello everyone, welcome to Data Empires. In the advanced data recovery training, we have discussed different problems and their solutions of logical failure, electrical failure, mechanical failure, and basic firmware failure of hard disk in detail. We discussed some critical problems and their native solutions, which could only be solved with the help of advanced data recovery tools. In new modules of data recovery training, we will discuss the data recovery procedure, with the help of advanced firmware repairing tools and machines. In this training session, we will discuss in detail the hard disk firmware, advanced tools and the requirements of the advanced tools.